Hello guys, and yes, another unboxing. Now this model here is part of the birthday purchase, thing. There was one model in particular I wanted to get for my birthday purchase, but I ended up spending a bit too much money on my birthday. So I got something else. It's still a Conrad model, so at least that counts. Alright, here's the box, and excuse my pronunciation. This is a Furukawa W735 wheeled excavator. Now this model in particular, well, the real life excavator, came out in the late 90s, early 2000s. This model is well known in Japan, but not so well known in America. But the name is popular in America because the company now produces rock drills and hammers. So yeah, so the name is popular in America, but the excavator, not really. So it's rare. Made by Conrad, who's on the bottom, and 1/50th scale. Alright guys, this is the first Conrad model that I've unboxed that came with this foam board. And there it is. There's the rear of it. Nice sharp graphics all the way around. I got this model from Roy Ferguson Sales, and I believe it might be the last one. But it's also available on Buffalo Road Imports for about 85 bucks. I got this for 50. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and there might be a review of this soon if I get a tripod pretty soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.